Pretty good way to sum it up. It just hasn't really ended for anyone who works on the front lines.
Alberta's 2022 budget will be revealed next Thursday, and after a long 2 years battling COVID-19, a lot of eyes are on healthcare spending. The UCP hinting an expansion to privatizing the system, while the NDP say it's not the right move.
Recruitment and retention in the public system is already in crisis, and these kinds of plans will only make things much worse. It introduces more chaos to a system that right now needs support and stability badly.
The NDP argue privatization will lead to poor quality and less staff in public hospitals, a fear some nurses echo.
I believe strongly in our public healthcare system. Where public healthcare supports every single Albertan, a private system will only serve a select few.
One health law professor says the thought of paying to butt the line will likely not happen.
Paying to be able to get faster care, a parallel private system where people can pay. And I don't think that we're going to see that from the government simply because if they did that, they would be sacrificing transfer payments from the federal government under the Canada Health Act. What this government is going to do and has already announced their receptiveness to is contracting out surgeries to private facilities.
This is not the first time the UCP has publicly stated their desire to increase privatization. In October 2020, members at the AGM voted in favor to approve a policy that supports a privately funded and privately managed healthcare system. The UCP believe expanding private healthcare centers will help reduce surgery wait times, among other things the pandemic has opened our eyes to.
And that means having a healthcare system that can quickly handle any future surges of the virus. So look for big investments in healthcare.
In a statement to City News, the province says, in part, contracting chartered surgical facilities to provide publicly funded services is not new in Alberta. We promised Albertans in the 2019 election campaign that we would reduce surgical wait times after the NDP watched them get longer for 4 years and did nothing about it. We're moving forward with the Alberta Surgical Initiative to deliver on that promise. In Calgary, Christy Kilburn, City News.